Why?
Because either Allah call you donkey. He is a Muslim and he doesn't.
You have wahi, huh? Allah tell you that I'm a donkey.
Do you implement Islam?
Or Allah writes in the Quran, Mahmoud, Ali is a donkey.
You're like Abu Jahl.
أعوذ بالله.
أعوذ بالله. Yes, don't.
Sorry, sir.
My honor.
I'm here. Guys.
What is that religion about? Respect.
No, I wasn't. Believe me, I wasn't.
How do you know?
I don't know.
He's a Catholic.
I don't know. How am I supposed to know he's Muslim?
He doesn't know.
That's how he is, bro. That's how he is.
Can you mention one Arabic leader who's a Muslim?
I'm not in Arab country.
But you don't have manners. You don't have no respect.
You don't know name? Don't
I
judge
will
me.
take back saying Khawarij.
We came
But I
from
only want to
that
say one thing.
countries.
You know what
and we know
Khawarij
the
means?
bastards
Yes, I know who
and
they are.
bastards.
They are.
Brothers, there's two debates, man. Go over there, man.
No. Please, no.
I want the Prophet to say.
What they do?
End of time,
What they do? What they do?
people will
Akhi, what the Khawarij does?
they pray better than the Muslims.
Number one.
They give in charity more.
Number two.
Okay, and
Number
they have
three.
more knowledge than the normal Muslims. This is what the
Elaboration. What is that? No. They kill Muslims.
They make halal what Allah.
Khawarij kill Muslims.
They make halal what Allah.
Khawarij kill Muslims. Tabrna Sam Sittah. Check it.
All I'm saying to you.
They kill Muslims. Now if you tell me I'm Khawarij, if you tell me,
Okay,
When you tell me I'm Khawarij,
when you tell me a kafir, then the doors are open for me to be killed. This is your ideology.
Hey, yo.
أنا بعد منار وأنت من منار.
Sorry, brother. Do you mind if we stand over here, yeah?
And I said, look,
Sorry about that, brother, yeah?
he's a kafir. He's He's calling me a donkey.
He's calling you a kafir. Wait, did he call you a kafir? Did he call you a kafir? Answer a question. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did he call you a kafir? Yes or no?
You know.
What? Yes or no?
I can't remember. I can't remember.
No, you remember. You lie now.
Don't lie.
I told you the Khawarij make takfir with sins.
Okay.
Yes?
Okay.
And I told you, if you make it halal, if you make haram halal, you are a
Can
kafir.
we go back to what we were discussing before anybody was here? The only thing that we were discussing was you as an individual, you don't get wahi from Allah, so you can't call someone a kafir. That's all I'm saying.
Advise.
But-
He can speak.
Who told you?
You.
Listen, man, listen.
Yes.
Who told? When Omar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu arda tried to kill 3 people in the front of Muhammad as-salam, did he get wahi?
You are not Umar al-Khattab, first and foremost. That's number one. Yes, no, I understand. No, wait. What is your argument? What is your argument? You can. No. Who told you? Who told you?
I can tell.
Who told you?
I can tell. And
No.
then you call the Khawarij in a minute.
Wait.
We are Khawarij.
You are madkhali.
You believe.
You are madkhali.
Why would you say that?
من كلامك.
Insult what, man?
No, I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you. I just
Shut
want
up,
you guys
man.
to understand.
But
When
how is that
you
insult?
say someone's a kafir, then their blood is halal. Their blood is halal.
I have to know
You
what is
understand?
creed.
حضرنا دمه.
Yes.
What is
and you
creed?
know that this is written. This is written. Now, I'm saying to this individual,
Muhammad.
be very careful in who you call a kafir.
You call me. Listen. Why you don't be careful? Listen. Why you don't? Muhammad, for God's sake.
What the hell? Relax, man.
You told me I am Khawarij.
Okay.
Yes? It means I kill Muslim. Listen. The hadith say that. Get it and read it and shut up, please. The hadith said they kill Muslim. They pray better than every Muslim. Yes? They make takfir with sins. If I see you drink alcohol, I see you are kafir. I don't do that, but I go, brother, why you drink alcohol? If you say it's halal, I tell you are kafir. Finish. If you make halal haram, finish.
Okay.
You are kafir.
Can I talk now?
So if you make halal haram, you're
wait.
kuffar.
Over there,
that-
you
is
pointed
that-
towards a man, a gentleman. This is how it started.
Gentlemen, yes.
Yes, maybe you won't call him a gentleman, but I would say he's a gentleman. You said this man here, over there, he went to court and he said that he is gay and Muslim. I'm proud. And I said to you, wait. No. But this is very
He
important.
said he's gay and proud and a Muslim.
Wait.
So la ilaha illallah. That doesn't mean-
Wait. Let me finish. Then you said he's a kafir.
No.
Wallahi, I'm saying wallahi. You
Wallahi,
said he's a
wallahi.
kafir. I said wallahi.
Wallahi.
You said he is not.
Okay,
even a Muslim.
okay, brother.
Wallahi.
He's a kafir.
Brother.
Wallahi, you are a liar.
You said this.
No.
Okay,
You
let him
told me-
clarify.
You told me. Is
You
he a
said this.
kafir?
And then what did you say? Yes, he's a kafir. You said he's a kafir.
But
He's
if
a
he-
kafir. And I said to you, brother, you can't
No.
say this.
I said he's a kafir for other things.
You can't mix and match. You said he's a kafir, yes or no? Khalas. He's a kafir, yes?
You liar, man. I told you it's not kafir. I have to ask him. Is it you make it halal? لا. في حاجة بالعربي.
I agree. I agree with you. If he makes
there
it
is something in
halal,
Arabic.
yes.
إنكار معلوم من الدين بالضرورة. If you deny
Yes.
a letter of Quran, you kafir.
I agree.
Any essential knowledge.
I agree. I agree with that statement.
So
I agree
the
with that
man,
statement.
we have to ask him
I agree.
because he's in the park.
Yes.
He said, "I am not practicing gay," and in the court, he said, "I am Muslim gay and proud." So which one is? Which one? And this one fresh.
And I'm saying to you, don't judge
What
him.
I-
And I'm saying to you, don't judge him.
Judge who? He said in recording.
Leave him to Allah.
I don't live to Allah.
Who are you? Who are you to say that this person is wrong and right? Who are you? This is what I'm asking. First question I'm going to ask you. Who are you?
The Prophet ﷺ said,
Are you?
Shut up,
Are you a
listen.
leader? Are you a leader amongst the
Listen.
Muslims? Are you the
Listen.
leader? Are you the leader amongst the
I
Muslims?
said, the Prophet ﷺ said, من رأى منكم منكرا فليغيره.
In a Muslim country. In a Muslim country, in a Muslim society.
Tell me, don't tell me, don't me.
No, in a Muslim
The
society.
Prophet ﷺ said,
In a Muslim society.
which hadith this is in
In a Muslim society.
oh, why?
I will tell you why. I'll tell you why.
Mention the hadith that
Wait.
says
First and foremost. Wait. In first and foremost,
This guy,
in an
accuse me,
you are not supposed to be in this land. You know this.
who? You.
You
are
all of
fucking-
us.
no.
All of us.
You are
If
there.
Wait. There are 3 conditions to be in the UK. If you come for medical reasons, number 1. If you come to teach the people Islam, number 2. Or number 3, you are learning.
The problem, none of them is one of my
Okay.
Why you are
Then
here?
what's
Why you
the
are here?
hadith?
Why you are here, my brother? Why you are here? Why you are
I'll give
here?
you-
Economic refugee, yes?
I'll give you-
Economic refugee.
Let me finish. So what did the Prophet say? That our fires should not, we should not see their smoke and their fire. We should not see it. So first and foremost, you should not live amongst the non-Muslims. That's number one.
Brother,
If
please.
you live amongst
brother,
them,
please.
wait. If you live amongst the non-Muslims, then you have to abide by. First of all, you're doing a sin. First of all, but if you live amongst them, you have to abide by the rules and regulations.
As long
As they tell you to change
no,
your
no,
religion,
you, that's you. I don't know.
All of us.
Me,
all of
no,
us.
no.
We have.
I live in this country.
Yes.
I abide by the law.
Yes.
As long it doesn't contradict my religion.
Okay, and I'm saying this to you. There are many sinners.
Habibi,
There are
listen.
many sinners.
I am
But
not
have
like
no
you.
right-
I'm not like you.
You have no right
I'm not
to
like
say this person is a sinner.
I am not like you.
I'm going to talk against
I am not
him.
economic refugee like you, man. I come here, human rights refugee.
No, you're talking about law. You're talking about
Brother, Akhi,
You're talking about law.
Akhi, you know human rights
It's different, bro.
refugee Middle East desk. They investigate me and they said I am trial in Egypt, in Abyssinia or absent. I got eight execution waiting for me.
You know why? I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Because
I'm criminal.
I'm making an
You
assumption.
said I'm criminal.
I'm making an assumption you're part of the Muslim Brotherhood. Now, the Muslim Brotherhood.
I'm not. I don't
Okay.
believe in Muslim Brotherhood.
Okay.
You are wrong.
If you go
I don't
against-
believe in them.
In Islam, you are not supposed to go against your ruler. In Islam.
Okay.
Okay.
Last
Now-
question with you.
No.
In
You're
front
not
of this.
supposed to go against your ruler, whether they are kafir or whether they are non-Muslim.
Really?
Yes. No. In this country. In this country. No. In this country. In this country. No.
Where's the delay?
Am I supposed to go against Somali? I mean,
I'm not arguing. Where's the delay? Brother, I'm going to reply.
Wait.
Show us the proof.
Let me finish. Let me finish.
Brother.
I'm talking to him directly. You're not supposed to go against Boris Johnson or this Egyptian ruler, Sisi, whatever his name is. I'll tell you why. Sisi, number one. I can see his forehead. He prays. Number one. Number two, he's never said that he's not a Muslim. He's always said that he's a Muslim. And you will see on TV he prays.
Brother,
He prays
I'm
Salah.
going inshallah
He prays
prove to
Salah.
all of you
He prays Salah.
that this man
Now,
something.
no. You can't say
say it or no?
CC.
Yeah, say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. نعم.
So what's the hadith? What's the hadith? To go against your rulers is kufr. If he's holding, go against your rulers.
عمي say it. Say it. Say it. خلاص. Say it. Say it. أيوة أيوة مدخلي. أيوة مدخلي. Okay, ask him Siad Barra. What would you do if Siad Barra was still alive now?
Okay.
You don't let me understand it, man. Why you record me?
We went against Siad Barra because he changed Surah Al-Nisa. Siad Barra said Surah Al-Nisa needs to be changed.
Surah yeah.
Yes, so we have a right to go against Siad Barra.
Yeah.
Why? Because he went against the Quran and he said we changed the Quran.
Okay, nice.
So he's a kafir.
He's a kafir.
Yes.
So you
Siad
make a
Barra was a
takfiri.
kafir. No. But Siad
Now you
Barra...
are allowed to make takfir,
No,
yeah?
but I know my history.
Did you have
I know my
wahid?
history.
Did you have revelation?
Sisi did not do this.
So, Siad Barra, you have revelation. I am Sisi, no revelation.
Sisi did not do
MashaAllah.
Tell me.
MashaAllah.
Sisi did
يا
not do
مدخلي.
this. Wait.
How old are you? You've never been during the Siad. You weren't born yet.
I have the video.
You
I'm
were
speaking
not
of
born
Somali.
yet.
I will tell you.
You idiot!
I have the video. I have the video. I have the video. He's speaking in Somali.
Yeah.
He
When I
said
say
clearly in Somali, we have to change
is it fake news?
the inheritance,
What
the
Siad Barra
inheritance
said
of
the fake
women.
news because he was not born yet. You were not born yet.
No, I have the recording.
That's fake news.
You will not
Fake
understand it.
YouTube.
You will not understand it.
Wait. I'm using his logic.
No.
I'm using his logic.
Allah
When I
said
said
to
Sisi said what he said live on Al Jazeera,
He
it's
said
fake
it
news.
to me, man.
No,
Please, brother.
what you said
I had
about
bad manners,
is
man.
fake news because you were not
I
born
had
yet.
bad manners.
I was born and I know Siad Barra,
Brother,
by the way, and I heard about it. But you were not.
Okay, I had bad manners.
There's a
You have
video.
good manners.
If you understood,
Fake video. Fake video.
One question. Which scholar of the Salaf or the Khalaf ever said the Khuruj against the ruler is kufr?
Brother, answer that question again.
Question. Which scholar from the Salaf or the Khalaf has said the rebelling against the ruler is kufr?
It's kufr.
Thank
Then
you.
the Imam said
There are
Bukhari.
No, he said hadith first of all.
Rebelling against the ruler.
if you rebel against, I'm telling you now.
Wait.
If you rebel, I'll tell you why. And there are many
Allah
hadiths. I'll
said,
bring my
I have
hadith.
bad manners. You have good manners. Let me ask you
Yeah,
one
the
question.
Sahabas have done that.
And I leave it.
It just says he didn't.
There are
You
more.
don't know I have bad manners.
During the time, during the
And you have good manners?
there was a civil war.
Okay, brother. I am going to ask him question.
Hey.
I have to hear.
Answer the question. Answer the question.
What did I say? That's what I said. I said I have bad manners too.
Now forget that, man. Uncle, answer the question.
I ask you a question.
Just showed your real face.
Brother, listen. Yo, there's
I
a
said
debate
I
going
have bad
on.
manners too.
Brother, you got bad manners. Man. Shut up, man.
At least you know you're wrong. At least, yeah, you accept that you're wrong.
Why you coming to ruin our conversation?
I lie. Brother, we're having a debate. Brother, if you want to speak, go over there then.
Okay, the man did you debate you or what?
Man said if you go
Against the ruler.
it's kuf.
That's mad.
Ami, hurry up,
lead
man.
to
Forget him. Go answer the question.
Brother,
It says it can lead to.
My Somali
Muawiyah,
brother,
no.
my Somali
No,
brother,
because the Sahaba.
my Somali brother, my young brother Mahmoud, my brother. I told you I'm going to ask you a question, and he said, "Is this Quran or Hadith?"
Yes.
And I told you it's not Quran or Hadith.
Yes.
And I told you something from a very renowned scholar, Imam al-Mawardi al-Shafi'i. Something big in Islam, but you don't hear about it.
Shafi'i, you say Shafi'i, yes?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Shafi'i, yes.
Yes. He said, the book called Al-Ahkam al-Sultaniyya. I asked everybody to read it. The Sultan's Rule. 2 books were written with the same name. Imam Mawardi and Imam Ibn al-Arabi al-Maliki al-Andalusi from Andalusia. Me and you, but you are more than me. Yes? Cannot understand Quran and Hadith
I agree.
unless, you know, if you read Bukhari, you find 200 Hadith in 1 chapter. There is something like, maybe you see contradiction, but the scholar can make
Differentiate. You can differentiate.
Can make it together. Looks and it is this is the art. Hadith,
I agree.
brother. Hadith are 94 kind.
I agree.
94. Yes. Quran verses there is nasikh, mansukh, muqayyad, restricted, general, am, madani, makki. No problem. Here is verse and he said what? That without the
Let
scholar,
me write it down. Which hadith? Which hadith?
which hadith one?
Okay.
I am telling you. Read
Thank you, brother.
Sultan's rule. The condition of a ruler. In Quran, there is no condition of rulers. But the big scholar wrote to us what is the condition of rulers. Yes, this man, he said something very offensive in Islam and could be leading to kufr when he said you cannot rebel against kafir ruler.
No. Can I rephrase this?
Please
Rephrase your word.
Okay.
Yes.
You, as an individual, I'm talking to you, living in the United Kingdom cannot rebel against Boris Johnson. Number one. Because what? Number one, because you being here, you should not be here in the first place unless you fulfill those three conditions.
Okay. Now,
this is
listen, man, listen.
Wait,
Habibi, listen.
Let me finish.
Why you? There's something called analogy in Islam. Don't make any wrong analogy because this is like. I say it or no?
No.
Okay.
No, say it.
When you make analogy,
He's gonna say
oh
it.
my God. When you make analogy, brother, how are you, my man? When you make analogy, brother, it's not everybody make. You have to be weighing the same things together. When I made analogy with the Torah and the Quran,
You call me a donkey and you said I
listen,
have to
yes,
Okay, continue.
because this is acceptable.
My man called me a donkey, you know.
No, this is
I carry the
acceptable.
Quran on my shoulders.
This is acceptable analogy.
It's not an acceptable analogy.
Why?
This guy's
Why?
he's trolling me. Look,
Why?
that's a troll.
Why? I told you, Torah is book of
People are
Allah.
laughing at you. They're not laughing with you. They're laughing at you.
People laugh at Muhammad alayhi salam. People laugh, mock him. They tell him crazy. He's whatever. I don't care. Laugh.
As I said to you.
I'm gonna say it again. Let me say it again. I made analogy. Torah, book of Allah. Quran, book of Allah. Jews are people of the book. We are Muslim people of the book. السلام عليكم. خليها كمان ساعتين. 2 hours إن شاء الله بكرة. خليها كمان ساعتين. So, what is wrong with that? Allah told the Jews, comply with my book. They put it in the shoulder, they are donkey. Allah told Muslim, take the Quran and comply with the book. If you put it in your shoulder and you don't understand with it, you are donkey.
Okay.
What's wrong with that?
How am I a donkey? Show me, okay.
No,
How am
you're
I similar?
diverting from the topic.
No. How am I similar?
Wait, no.
But that's what we started off with.
Forget the donkey.
No.
Let's no.
Let's go back to point.
Let's stick to the topic, yeah.
But we
We're
started
talking about rulers.
debating about you.
No.
By the way, that example is wrong. You are misguided, not like a donkey. There's difference between you. If he can't
I don't
call
believe I'm
anyone donkey,
misguided.
to
I
Salafist scholars here. He can't call him
I don't
donkey.
believe I'm
Yo.
misguided.
No, I
Brother,
believe you're misguided. You believe
clarify
I'm
your
misguided.
issue. Clarify your issue in terms of what you said about the rulers and whether it was
Okay.
and whether it was Catholic. Clarify the issue and then
As I said to you,
let him
as I
finish
said
about
to
this
you,
book.
Okay, as I said to you, with all respect, I'm saying to you, as all of us Muslims living in the United Kingdom, we cannot rebel.
We are not the
against-
same, man. We are
Wait,
not the
let
same.
him finish.
You coming for money. I'm not
finish.
coming
Wait.
for. Why say all the Muslim?
Okay,
Did you ask everybody why you come?
whoever comes, you.
Wrong.
Okay,
Not
that's
whoever.
your belief. That's your belief.
This is the true belief.
Let him finish his point and then attack it.
In a Muslim country, I'm going to talk about a Muslim ruler now. In a Muslim country, if the man prays, if the man pays zakah, if the man says that he is a Muslim, then we as Muslims, even if he is the most wicked and he killed half of us, are not supposed to rebel against him.
La ilaha illallah.
I will tell you
No,
why.
this is not Islam.
There's a hadith.
This is not Islam,
This is
innit?
not Islam.
There's a
Wallahi,
hadith.
this is
We
not
don't.
Islam.
We can't just take the isolated hadith and make it
Have you heard the
wrong.
hadith? So you're saying you haven't heard the hadith?
Brother, Amri, is this Saudi Arabia Islam?
No, this is Kukunes Islam.
Yeah, sure. Say that, Nick.
Okay. Give evidence.
Give evidence.
Let him give evidence. Let him give
evidence. Say evidence.
Wait, the fitna that will come from.
Give evidence.
No, let him.
Say the leader of one Muslim.
Wait. Are there conditions? Are there conditions in which you can rebel? If you
There
can.
are conditions.
Okay, exactly.
No,
So you can't rebel.
conditions. Yes, of course. Like for example, I gave you
You can't rebel
my,
if it is
my
gonna.
country, Somalia. We had a president. I'll give you. There are conditions. My ruler, our country. I'm here because of our president, Siad Barre.
No, you ain't about
What he
money. Siad Barre gone. Why don't go back?
I was born.
Why don't go back? Siad Barre gone.
We don't know.
Why don't go?
My friend, he give me permission to reply to you.
Can-
Give me
can-
permission.
Siad
Can
Barre
I
finish.
Can I talk?
He knows.
Mohammed Siad Barre.
Finish.
What he said, I will tell you, in 1988,
Yes.
he said clearly, and it's in radio, you can go home tonight.
Yeah, fake news.
Any Somali, you go to him and you can ask him to translate for you. He says, it's not fake news. I will give it to you now as soon as we finish.
I heard
He
it
said
before
this.
you're born.
No.
Before your mom and dad met.
I will. He was a Shayu'i. You know what Shayu'i is?
I
He was a
heard that
communist.
before you were born, my
He
friend.
said,
Before your dad and mom met each
Surah
other.
An-Nisa,
You
Surah
have to know
An-Nisa.
this.
We need to change the inheritance between a boy and a man, a girl and a boy.
That's another
They
subject.
should be equal. No, if a ruler,
talking about a ruler in
if a
general,
ruler like him, if a ruler like him says this,
Yes, you
then
can.
we can rebel against him because that's kufr.
Okay, let me reply
He's a
to you,
kafir.
please.
He's a
He
kafir.
gave me
Wait.
permission.
Did you say we need to
Baba,
change the words of the
Wallahi,
Quran?
Wallahi,
Wait.
I swear upon Allah's name, I heard it with my own ears.
I'm asking a very specific question.
Baba,
Did he say? Did he say
Yes.
that you should change?
Equal.
Let me
Muhammad.
explain.
Baba.
Did he say you should
Baba.
actually change
Muhammad.
the recitation, the words of the Quran, or did he say you should, an application shouldn't be done?
Wallahi, he said we should take, Surah
My
An-Nisa,
friend,
take it out of the Quran.
Baba
Okay,
Muhammad,
Wallahi,
whatever. My
Wallahi,
friend,
That's true.
my friend,
That's a different
then
one.
you can rebel.
He
And that's
said
what-
it. And I was born at that time and I heard that before he born. But I'm using his logic, fake news. When
He
I
said
said
it.
Sisi said what he said
you said that
live
as well.
on Al Jazeera and he said fake news.
I remember
So
you said
I'm
that.
using his logic.
Okay.
Now, my brother gave me permission to reply to you in this point. So you said anyone rebels
Brother, come this because okay,
against
come
a
like this.
ruler
Put this camera.
is...
Our brother Black Dunya.
Yeah.
MashaAllah.
Mahmoud, you said anyone rebels against the ruler is a kufr.
Anybody who causes fitna
No,
in the
no,
land.
No,
you said
don't.
it.
Hey, brother, wallahi, don't change your words.
You can
Change your
correct
words
your
all
words.
the time.
You can correct it. You can correct
Correct
it.
what you said.
Yeah.
No, brother, let him correct
Go
himself.
correct what you're saying now then.
Let him correct himself.
The ruler is a Muslim.
Muslim. No, guys. Whoa. Let him finish, yeah? Muslim.
He's
Number
a
one.
Muslim. He says La ilaha illallah.
The pillars.
The pillars of Islam.
Yeah.
And there is no evidence for him to be kafir. And he does not tell you guys as Muslims to rebel, to do haram.
Brilliant.
For you to rebel against that ruler,
Yeah.
it's like kufr.
Brilliant. Let me finish. Let me.
Wait, what's your evidence?
I'm going to reply to him. Please, he gave me the permission. First, brother asked you a question. You failed to answer this question, but I don't want you to waste this time. He said, which one of the ulama, Salaf and Khalif said that? But I don't want you to waste time in this. So tell me, please, is Hussein, when he rebels against Yazid, kafir?
Thank you.
Is Abdullah ibn Zubair, when he rebelled against... Let me finish. Is Abdullah ibn Zubair radiallahu anhuma, when he rebelled against Abdul Malik bin Marwan, kafir? Is Banu Abbas, the Abbasid dynasty, when he rebelled against the dynasty of Umayyad, kafir? Is your king Abdul Aziz bin Saud, when he rebelled... Let me finish.
He's not my king.
Let me, the king of Salafis. If the king of Salafi, Abdul Aziz bin Saud, when he rebelled against the Ottoman Empire, the only Islamic empire at that time, is he Khariji or he's kafir? Now answer this question.
I'm going to start off with what you ended. First
Hussein.
and foremost,
Mahmoud, let me add one small thing.
Okay.
And the worst of these people who've been rebel against are better than the best one who you're defending now.
Okay, answer the question.
if you have read history, you would have seen in Najd, in this part of the Saudi Arabia, which this ruling family came from. There was nobody ruling this area. Number one. Number two.
You're lying, man.
No, let me finish.
Let him finish. Ami. We catch him.
Are you mad?
We catch him. We catch him.
Wait, no, you're not gonna
We're gonna catch him. We're gonna catch him.
My friend, I have a reply very
We caught him. We caught him already, man. Wallah, خليه. Let me finish.
I'm not trying to catch no one.
وريها. Okay, wallah. Let me finish.
The ruling family of Jordan, their great-grandfather Hussein, he is the one that he's the one that went against the Muslims.
Yes.
He rebelled against the Muslims.
Agreed.
Now, the ruling family of Najd were warring against him. So for you to say, first and foremost, wait.
come like this.
For you to say,
will be upset.
for you to say that the clan of Saud were wrong, you are wrong. I'll tell you why. Because it's the Hashemites who went against the Ottoman Empire. I am not here to protect the Hashemite Empire. I dislike them. But when it comes to the Najd, those who came from Najd, what did they do? They came and they closed because there was killing in Hijaz. There was many killings. The British were infiltrating the surrounding areas.
I think it's taking a long story. Back to Hussein Abdullah.
Wait,
We're going to escape.
Ask precise answer.
Okay.
Are they kafir or not kafir?
First and foremost, I will never say that the Prophet's grandsons were kafir. I will never say this.
You
I will
wouldn't
never say
dare,
this.
but according to what you
What do you
said,
mean
you
there?
have to.
I would be.
Because you
Listen,
just said
I would be wrong
that.
if I said that. But number one,
You agree you wouldn't dare.
Hassan
I definitely
said,
would
I'm
never
not
dare
going
say
to
that.
fight.
I'm talking about Hussein.
Wait,
Hussein.
Hassan said, I'm not going to fight, I'm going to leave it for them. He was correct.
Oh, my bad.
His methodology was correct.
Are you saying what his methodology
Hassan
was more correct
Oh,
than
sorry.
Hassan was
Are you
correct.
saying
And what did the Prophet say about Hassan?
Wait,
What
Hussein.
did wait,
Hussein.
Hussein, he did a mistake.
No,
What?
he's kafir.
What?
MashaAllah.
mistake did he do?
MashaAllah.
What mistake did he do? What mistake did Hussein do?
Hussein make
Answer.
mistakes.
Explain.
Answer.
Humans make mistakes.
What do you
I
make
agree. What's
mistakes?
mistake?
Who made mistake?
What
Okay.
made
Hussein
He
mistake?
believed that the people of Kufa, whatever,
Yeah.
were going to help him. He did not make.
He got that wrong.
Wait, he got that. This is what I'm saying to you. He made a mistake.
Have you
got
made
it
a
wrong.
mistake in his decision to go against what he did?
Wait.
I told you, man,
Many of the Sahaba in Medina, what did they say to him?
talk to me.
Wait.
Before he went from Medina,
Many of the Sahaba,
all the
in Medina,
Sahaba, none of them
they
told
said
him you
to
are making
Hussein, what did they
mistakes.
say
They
to
just say
Hussein?
don't go.
Don't leave. Don't
So all
leave.
Sahaba
They
didn't
said
say
to him.
you made a mistake.
There was-
They just
there was
don't
one.
go.
Tell me what I
He
know
know
about
more
the
than
story.
the
Is he
Sahaba.
kafir or not?
I would never
Don't
say
tell me
that.
what happened.
Ask him
I know
what
what
the
he
Sahaba
made.
told him is wrong.
He made a mistake.
No, you said
He made a
kafir.
mistake. The Sahaba said to Hussein, don't go.
Yeah, they didn't say you are wrong. They said don't go.
They said, wait,
No, they didn't say you are wrong. They said don't go.
For last time, man. Why the Sahaba told the Hussein don't to go?
Exactly, they didn't
I'll
say
tell
it's
you why.
wrong.
Why?
I will tell you why.
Tell me.
I will
Don't
tell
give
you
me
why.
history. They tell them don't to go because of what? Tell me. Don't know history.
Because the people of Kufu, whatever,
whatever.
they will, they are lying and they will leave you in the lurch.
And they didn't say you are wrong.
They
They
will
say
leave you in
don't
the
go.
lurch.
But you are
Now
saying
he's
it's wrong.
telling the story.
He made a mistake.
No, the Sahaba didn't say wrong. They say don't go.
The reason
You just said it yourself.
the reason is
yourself.
Hey,
Sahaba said
no, I
don't
don't
go.
help him skip this question, please. I'm asking you, say, Gavin, don't tell me the story that I
Hussein
know.
made a mistake.
That story, I know better than he does. Now tell me, is he kafir or not?
I will never
Yes
say
or
he's a
no?
kafir. He's a Muslim.
You just said that. You just said that.
Now, I'm talking about now.
I'm talking that time.
there is no difference. That was
In Syria,
Islam all the time.
in Syria, in Egypt, all of this Arab Spring, what are they called?
In Afghanistan. Say about Afghanistan.
Taliban are different.
Why?
Taliban are different.
Why?
They were the leaders first.
Why?
They were leaders first.
Why?
Said you are wrong doing this.
That
They
Asian.
said don't go.
Don't
do it. Don't do it. Not you are wrong. They said they will
Yes.
kill you.
No
But
Sharia.
they didn't say what you're doing is wrong.
They don't
And
Sharia.
this guy,
They were the
he said
rules.
that
Where's
you
the
are
evidence
wrong.
of them being called for, please? If you go against
None of the
your
Sahaba
evidence,
said
where's the
you are wrong.
evidence?
They said
Brother,
don't
brother,
go.
Akhi, I want, inshallah, finish with this guy and go and leave the brother a chance.
Yeah.
I want you, if the honest person, check in your computer now, you know, phone, the Sultan's rules, the book, and tell me
Who's
the
author?
Sultan's rules.
Mawardi. But he
Mawardi.
in English.
In English, translated.
Muhammad ibn Habib al-Mawardi. not
Okay.
a Shafi'i. He said Shafi'i because he was Shafi'i.
The 7, okay, please.
So I know you don't know nothing, so let me correct you.
The 7,
Let me expose his knowledge.
his emotion, I'm crazy, this is bad, this is ugly, everyone. I'm sorry, man. I don't have time, man. I run out. This one tell you, you're ugly, you're fat, your head is skin. Akhi, please, please read the book, 7
I will
Conditions.
never read that book. I'll tell you why.
What?
It's not from. Who's it from? Who is it?
Imam Mawardi, big scholar.
Okay, for you.
Imam.
What?
For the nation. He teacher of Imam Shafi'i.
Ibn Wahab. Wait. The fundamental principles of Tawheed. Read that. From Ibn Wahab. Principles of Tawheed.
I am telling you.
Wait, why you say you'll never read it?
Why Tawheed?
Yeah, I'll read it. I will read it.
This is Abdul Wahab, Ibn Gaz, Ibn Yazami.
Muhammad ibn Wahab, whatever his name is.
We are not from those people who are theoretical Muslim. التوحيد. No, our Tawheed is practical. Our Tawheed like Ibrahim alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam threw him in the fire 7 days. We've been thrown in jails. Our door knocked down. Our computer been seized.
You're a criminal.
I'm criminal, yes. I'm criminal like Muhammad alayhi salam. I'm criminal like Shu'aib when they kick him out. I'm criminal like Lut alayhi salam.
Don't compare yourself to
Why?
these great men.
What? Did I take drugs?
Listen to me.
You see, piece of dirt. Tell me I'm criminal,
Yes, you're
and I
criminal.
done it.
If what you're telling
My
me,
crime,
if
I'm
you're-
Muslim.
If you're an outlaw in your own country, you're a criminal. There's a reason why you're.
You know what? You know why I'm outlaw in my country? You know why I'm outlaw in my country? I was fighter pilot in Egypt, and Alhamdulillah, when William Roger and Henry Kissinger, maybe your dad hear about them. 1978, yes.
When you lost the Sinai. When you lost the Sinai.
Yes,
You started to
I left Egypt. I left.
Okay, continue.
And I fought with the Afghani, my brother Afghani. And they try me in Egypt and say, I'm traitor. I help foreign country. So the Muslim, I want to fight, I want to help my brother Muslim Afghani. And he said, I'm not supposed to share my secret knowledge with his Afghani foreign country. Anyway, this crime now, I am happy to be criminal in his eyes because he's blind. Now, when I get attacked, Bada, I swear by Allah, this man is a Saudi fed. They fed him and they come here and propagate a filthy Islam, a dirty Islam. You cannot be pimp in Islam. You cannot be pimp in
You have grey hair and you're talking
Ami, where did they get this from? You can't rebel against it. Where did this ideology come
From
from?
Shamsi,
Yeah?
from Sheikh Donkey the Jordanian, from Sheikh Rabi' al-Madkhali,
Why are you insulting?
from Sheikh Rabi' al-Madkhali in Arabia, Sheikh Farkus in Algeria, Sheikh Raslan the donkey in Egypt. These people tell you to become goats.
And what are you doing now? What are you doing now? You're saying something about Muslims behind their backs, yes?
Go on,
And
tell
makes
them.
you a great man, yes?
Yeah, but
Khawarij.
This guy called it up Ikhwan Khawarij. Like, oh no, we can't talk behind our
I am
back.
in this country.
Ikhwan Muslimin.
I am not Ikhwan Muslimin, but they are my brothers. They are my Ikhwan.
Listen to me.
I therefore was Ikhwan Muslimin because they believe in democracy and I don't believe in democracy, but they are still my brothers. But I am not one of them. I am higher level by the blessing of Allah. Not wahi ya donkey. Now you make me kafir.
The way you're talking is and you have all the knowledge in the world. All I'm saying to you is
I am practical Muslim. I sacrifice my blood. My friend, all my friends died. All my friends, Allah chose. I'm not lucky. I'm not blessed to be chosen. But Allah make me miracle to stand here.
thank God I've seen someone like you today.
Then
Because
A'udhu
it
Billah,
was all
I
theory.
saw I saw someone like you.
No, it was all theory. It was all theory prior to this. I believed in my mind
Yes.
that the
I'm
West, the
Khawari.
Americans and the British were created agents. Like people like you.
I am Asian.
Wait. They created you guys. Now I'm seeing someone like this. Someone like
I'm
you.
Asian.
Can I have a green card?
I am Asian.
I've watched
May
the
Allah
videos.
curse you.
I've watched the videos.
May Allah curse you,
I've watched the
mother.
videos. I've watched
I am Asian. I am Asian.
I'm not gonna get angry.
I
I'm
am
not gonna
Asian.
get angry. I'll tell you.
I am Asian. I am
He's got
Asian.
great. He's got great.
I am Asian.
He's got great.
I am Asian. I am Asian.
Who's getting
Why am Asian? Why am Asian?
Who's getting passionate? My man's saying something about my mum.
No, but brother, he's not saying about his mom. Don't talk like that, bro.
Do you know Mubahala?
Don't talk like that.
Do you know Mubahala?
How would you like
Do you know Mubahala?
I know one thing.
Do you know Mubahala?
I've listened to your videos.
Do you know? Do you know
You're
Mubahala?
a very aggressive, ignorant, arrogant, old man.
Alhamdulillah.
And may Allah guide you. I'm not gonna say
Brother,
I'm not
I
gonna say
want,
anything like
wallahi,
this. Look.
this man, I beg him to say the 7 conditions for